Good morning children. I hope class 10th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As every day important question is being sent, and in the series we have taken a question that is very important from triangles. So let's see your question first, try to understand and then you try to learn how it to be solved. A girl of height 90 cm is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. If this similar question you will be having, or this type of question comes in exam, what is required to be done? First you need to try to understand the question, you need to draw the figure and then you proceed, and I hope you will be able to solve in this way. So let's see how we will solve this question. Here we have question: a girl of height 90 cm is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of a shadow after 4 seconds. First of all, you need to understand what has been given and how we will proceed. So here you see, as we will draw a figure so that you will understand. A girl of height 90 cm is walking away from the base of a lamp post. So first of all we need to draw a lamp post. Just you see, suppose we are drawing a lamp post in this way. Suppose this is lamp post and girl is walking, she is girl. Suppose this is girl. So this is lamp post, this is lamp post and this is girl. So you see, height of the lamp post is 3.6 meter. This is 3.6 meter. You have height of girl is 90 centimeter. This is 90 centimeter. Now if we will join this figure in this way, suppose shadow has been cast up to here. This is the shadow of this girl, and then join this line. So this is your figure for this question. So suppose here you have a name can be given A, B, suppose this is C, D and E. So AB is lamp post, CD is the height of the girl. So now here you see a girl of height 90 cm is walking away from the base of lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So we need to find out this DE. This is required to be found out. So just you see how we will solve. Here we have been given AB is equal to 3.6 meter. We have CD is equal to 90 centimeter, or that will be 0.9 meter. Then since we can write, since AB is parallel to CD, by seeing the figure you can see AB is parallel to CD. So AB is a lamp post, so that is vertical on the ground, and girl is standing, so she will be also vertical on the ground. So AB will be parallel to CD. So we can write, we will write from triangle ABC and from triangle ABE and triangle CDE. Just you see what we are having. Angle C is equal, angle E is equal to angle E, that is common. Both the angles are in the both the triangle. So angle E is equal to angle E. Here you can see angle B is equal to angle D. You can write, since AB is parallel to CD, and therefore, and one more thing you can find out, just you see angle A is equal to angle C. Again the same region is there, since AB is parallel to CD. So by the criteria AAA, already you have learnt the theorem. So we can write, by the criteria of similarity of triangles AAA, triangle ABE will be similar to triangle CDE. Both the triangles will be similar, and hence their side will be proportional. So it can be written as, therefore we will write BE by DE will be equal to AB by CD. So easy it is. Then you put the value. Suppose here you see BE. So BE, you can see BE by DE. Here you see BE, and here you have DE. So BE will be, suppose if we will suppose DE is equal to X. Just here you see, again you try to understand. Here you have, suppose DE is equal to X. In this case BD first we need to find out. So here itself you write, it will be better. Here we will write DE is equal to X, we need to assume, and BD will be what? BD will be distance travelled by the girl, and distance travelled by the girl is what? Distance is equal to speed into time. So we will write speed into time, that will be distance. So speed has been given, speed is 1.2 meter per second, into time has been given, so time is 4 seconds, and therefore this will be 1.2 into 4, it means 4.8 meter. So BD we have got 4.8 meter. So just we need to put value over here. Just you see, we will write now BE, we have BE will be BD plus DE. So that will be BE, we can write BD plus DE by DE will be equal to AB by CD, or we can write BD plus DE means 4.8 plus X divided by DE. DE means X we have assumed, and that will be equal to AB, we know 3.6, that is height of the lamp post, and CD height of girl, and that is 0.9. This is required to be simplified and you will get the answer. So just you see what it comes. So this will be 4.8 plus X into 0.9. 9, and if you are cancelling here itself, it will be 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36. So we will get 4x is equal to 4.8 plus x, or 4x minus x will be 4.8, or 3x will be 4.8, and therefore x will be equal to 4.8 divided by 3, it means 1.6 meter, and this will be your answer. So here we can write your answer will be, so the shadow of the girl, the shadow of the girl after walking for 4 seconds will be 1.6 meter long, and this is your answer. So I hope you understood. In this way, if similar questions are there, you need to find out and try to solve. Next day we will see next important question. Until then, thank you.